EP-431 operation demo. Pull out the locking pin to install the upper die. Press the locking pin of die holder to install the lower one. Press the operating handle to start. The tool will automatically release pressure when the rated pressure is reached, but will not reset. To reset, the handle needs to be manually rotated. The head can rotate 330 degrees. Crimping demo. Place the crimping material. Press the handle. The dies will close and automatically release pressure after reaching the rated pressure. Manually rotate the handle to reset. Note, the crimping material must match the die.